So we're making a fort for our animals today, and it's going to be in this little corner.
I've got so much to work with.
So yeah, my main squeeze is going to help me. We're making a fort for his dog and his 2 cats. The other one isn't present at the moment. But yeah, and we're going to film it. And hopefully they like it. Alright, so did you get another blanket?
Yeah, it's on there. Gemma's on it.
Okay.
Gemma's on it, mate.
Yeah, I know. We need something tall. We need something tall for the other side of it to hold up a blanket. What?
Blanket in there, and you go. Close the door.
Oh.
And holds it up. Holy
Alright.
shit. Wow.
Gemma, come on.
Come on, dude.
Off the blanket. Gemma likes it already.
Ghost dog.
No, it's her wedding day. She got a veil on and everything. Oh, she's like a burrito. Alright, hold that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get it.
Run, dog, run!
Up yet. So we're going to be putting this little poor thing down for them to sleep on. See?
And the dog is just gonna sit on anything put there.
She's very comfortable. Alright, and now we're going to do...
Oh, you scared the shit out of me with the cylinder. Innovation right here.
We're going to do your idea.
Yeah, exactly. Innovation.
Mate, it doesn't reach.
You know why? Because you're not using your initiative.
You sound like my parents. Oh, look at that. Ooh. And now you have to kind of... or that could be like the front door to their fort. So they can be hidden or... Hang on. Or we can lift it up and they can just be like... It can just be like a roof.
The wild animals are drawn to this new habitat.
We want to make
The
it
cat
seem...
wants in.
We want to make it seem more homely. So you can hop in there.
Cramming more shit in there, I don't think it's going to fix it.
What?
Jam, down. Come here. Come on. On it. On your bed. Come on. On
She
your...
doesn't like the roof. Gemma, this is part of your fort.
Come on, Jam.
Gem, in here. Come on. And... oh, I have a sick idea.
So yellow.
Gem. Hey. She's fighting with me. Okay, now we have to... What are you doing?
Come on, come on. There we go. Lottie.
You have to build this fort up and make it seem like a real fort, you know?
But Gemma's not going to get in.
Yeah, we'll make a door for her.
Dude, you think that's going to work? That's my case.
Look at that. It's like a bed and the pillows are like where her head will go. Come here. No.
That's not quite in there, puppy.
Not quite, puppy, but you tried. You did well. The whole thing.
Yep, there goes the cat.
He's okay. He didn't like the light anyway.
Now drop the blanket.
It's better this way. There we go. And there's our fort. Did she like it in there?
Look at how cute that dog is. Gem.
You make it more like closed and stuff.
I don't think she'll ever be able to get back in.
Yeah, she can walk over pillows.
Well, I don't know about my dog.
Okay, now we're going to add a nice big bear.
How are you going to fit anything more in there?
Okay.
Gemma's gonna instantly get scared and run away.
No, she's not. She likes the spare. Don't you, Gem? Oh, look, that's just more homely again.
He looks so cute.
Here comes the other cat. Check out a new fort.
Meow meow. Molly. No.
Nope. So the other cat, Molly, doesn't really like being picked up all that much. She's very disobedient.
Cute too.
Sometimes you have to pick her up and take her to the fort. Molly, you'll have fun. See how she explores her new habitat. No, don't close it yet. We have to... Oh. Molly, we put a lot of effort into this.
Molly.
She's like, what's going on? Oh, she's gonna find Walter in there and be like, where did he come from? Stop!
In the name of the law.
You can't leave yet. You haven't stayed long enough. She's like, I can escape through here. I know it. Hey. Did you see how majestic that was?
Come on, beast. Come on.
Let's see where she goes. If she goes for the couch or the fort.
Good.
Ah, you
I mean,
can't.
you kind of ruined it, but...
You like it, don't you? Where's his feet gone? What's wrong?
Sniffy sniff.
I hope you enjoyed me and my main squeeze building a fort for these little animals. But yeah, if you liked the video, let me know and we might build another fort in a different area this time and see how it goes. Yeah, so I had fun building my animals a fort. I'm glad they like it and I'm glad that they had fun. I too. You had fun too? Yeah? So yeah, thank you for watching. My name's Jess and I'll see you in my next video.